We are out today and we are going to do something brand new. It's called mag-larking. We're going to do a combination of magnet fishing and mud-larking, and it's going to be, oh my god, I can't do this. I was going to say innovative, but really it's because the water's really low and we don't want to bust up our magnets. Meh, what are we going to do? So come along, check it out. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell. If you don't get notified, you're missing out. We are going to have a contest coming up. And I'm not going to tell you what the prize is, but it's going to be special. Check out Life with my English Cream Retriever Polar Bear, the official mascot of Big Grizzly Magnet Fishing and Adventures. You can see how many bugs there are. Check out Black Dog Adventures, Maybe Adventures, Brafton Magnet Fisher, all those good stuff. Joker's Magnets. If I keep listing, we're going to be out here all day. So, instead, let's get to it. I believe we're hooked on something. Let's take a look here. Yes, we are. We got some sort of steel right there. Cool. What else is in here? Let's take a look. I just felt something click on. There it is. The elite. Oh wow, that's pretty. Look at that. We got a pair of needle nose pliers and some notorious scallywag. Cool. There's got to be more, and we're gonna find it. Part of the fun of this is just kind of trolling around the water a little bit. You can see it's not very high, but we have found some cool stuff in this area. Like that, for example. Take a look at that. Put it down to jig it, and we get ourselves a big bolt and some sort of screw. So right on. And we'll see what else we come up with the water being so clear. Let's take a look here. This is what it looks like when we can't see down below the water. The magnet just kind of glides along the bottom. And then it comes up. And we take a look and see what we got. And this time it's just scallywag. But it's pretty cool that we actually get to see it happen. Ooh, you'll never guess what. We have Black Dog over there as well. Black Dog Adventures over there doing some, is trying to outdo us. It's a competition. We're going to see who gets the most. I'm losing. As we're jigging along, we got a railroad spike. Woo. Okay, well, railroad spike. And a big. Sounds good. If you look, that's that. See it? That is this. There it is. And we have ventured under a train trestle bridge. Not in the best condition. They recommend you don't go up there. And if you've been with us for a while, you know that we've already gone up there. We have latched on to a couple things here. Got a big bolt. And a little piece of steel from the tracks. A little nail right there. Another piece of steel. And scallywag. As I'm just kind of jigging along, I just hit something. Look at the size of that bolt and that screw right there. Look at that thing. That's big. Cool. I just tossed the magnet right onto that bit of seaweed right there. And as soon as I did, boom, railroad spike. I realized something was on there because it was just collecting moss and seaweed. The notorious delicious salad. It's all the rage. There was something big that was just kind of sitting there. So I just gave it a nice little toss, and we got ourselves a massive piece of steel. Let's see if we're going to be able to get that off of there. There we go. And we'll just reach down where it is. There it is. Cool. The first second we throw in between the train, we got two railroad spikes, a smaller spike, and some scallywag, and a magnetic rock. Cool. So that's 1, 2, smaller, scallywag. Nice, we got it right in there, right between the train pillars. What else is in there? Let's take a look. Feels like we got them. Sure do. Another railroad spike. They're everywhere. Look at that. They're everywhere. Now, I know there's doubters, so let's show it. Oh, hey, bottle cap. Oh, I missed it. We'll get it. As you can see, we're trudging along, and this guy will go right with the collection of the others. Authentic grizzly bear fun. Let's see if we can break that free. Ooh, I think we got it. I think we got it. We got it. All right. What in the world is that?
What did you get?
I don't know what this is. Help. I need an adult. I don't know what this is. What does that look like? It was buried.
Look.
Thoughts?
This thing is really weird looking. Maybe something that they used to turn?
It might, because look, there's the
Yeah.
mechanism. What do you think that is?
It's a cover plate of some kind.
It's like a plate with a little...
Let's see what it looks like on the other side.
I kept landing on it.
Clean up on that thing. That's...
Oh, that's definitely going to get cleaned up.
Is your camera on?
Yeah.
Let's give them all a look at home. What do you guys think that thing is? It's
Calling
got like
out
a little something there, and this locks, like almost like it pivots.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Comes in and
what
locks
is
in
that?
like a front to put firewood in or something. It's kind of small,
Yeah.
you know, or a flue type thing off an old steam engine maybe. I don't
Calling
know.
Mr. Casper. Calling Mr. Casper.
What is that?
What
Mr.
is
Casper?
this? Feels like we got something. What in the world? Well, we definitely got some things. It looks like more spikes. This area is just loaded with spikes. Jeez, I wonder why, guys. Lesson of the day. Always bring a change of socks for exactly this reason. You never know when you're going in. Add that to the growing collection of goodies. That's some chocolate pudding and scallywag mixed together on that one. All right, cool. Let's get after it. Careful. Sometimes as we're doing it, I'll just kind of give it a little toss. Just kind of see if there's anything in the area. And we just kind of bring it in. I think we came up empty. Yeah, we did. Came up empty on that one. What? Well, I believe. Yep. I'm gonna tell you guys, I may have found one of these before, but I can't quite place where. I've been to a lot of places and I can never remember where I found these. Oh wait, no, there it is. Sorry. Well, we either have a steel rod or a stick, and verdict is in. That is a steel rod. Sweet, look at that. Good deal. All right, well, we've got 3 spikes that just jumped onto the 360. But I don't know if you guys can see. There is something shining right in the water, right there. Right there. I don't have the best aim, but let's give it a shot. Well, we got another spike, but it's still right there. So let's put these spikes down. My boots are now completely filled. We hit a little deeper spot than we were anticipating. Another spike. So I'm kind of gonna switch back into my other boots and my socks when we get back to the truck. But there it is. Did I get it? No, I jumped it. Is it not magnetic? That's what it was. It was non-magnetic. It was a little Best by 8/24/23. So this has not been out here that long. Well, we found it. It's ours now. Guess what? Spike. And I wanted to go back. Alright, we are going to take a little break and do an urban expedition of this old island that's out here. So hang tight.